Hello everyone, I'm Augustine from IT, FiberOne Broadband. What we have here, this bad boy we have here, right here, is what you call an FX3000 Wi-Fi 6 wireless router. Okay, it comes with a dual band of 2.4 gigahertz and a 5 gigahertz. Okay, boosting the capability of 3000 megabits per second link speed. Now, what that means here is that we can have a constant and seamless connection with uninterrupted link speed, download speed, low latency here. So I'll get to unboxing. So we have our manual here. We have our power cable and our LAN cable. Then we have the bad boy here. Okay. So the first thing you need to do, all right, is to get your power cable connected to the source. Okay, pick a power source, then connect it. Okay, you have it connected. Make sure the socket you're connecting it to is on point. All right, then you plug it in right here. You see a port here, a DC port. Okay, for the power source. Okay, you wait for it to come on. Then for you to know your device is powered up, you have this red blinking light indicator here. Now when you get it connected and you have the red light blinking, as you can see, it's blinking. Okay, it shows here it's powered on. Now one of the critical informations for setting up important information here that you need to take note of here on the base of the device, FX3000 device. Okay, you have credentials here, of this device. You have the device name, you have the IP, then you have your username or your password here, admin. The username will be admin, then the password will be admin. This will be your first time credential in signing in. 5 gigahertz dual band. Okay, that means that you have two modes of connection. Here, what you see right here now, because like I told you, don't keep on forgetting. Always remember, this bad boy come in two. I mean, it's one, yes, quite alright, but it comes in twos. Okay, now the two I mean here is the 2.4 gigahertz, which gives you a separate form of connection, and the 5 gigahertz band, which gives you a separate form of connection to the internet. Okay, now we'll move on to setting up how you can set up this small but mighty. Okay, so right here you have, for instance, now this particular device has the IP to be 192.168.100.1. so those particular set of numbers with their dots, okay, you go on your browser, okay, your web browser. On your web browser, right here you will type 192.168.100.1. You have to confirm if it's the actual IP you have at the base of your device. Okay, double check. Okay, then when you're done putting in the exact numbers and dots there, then you click enter. Then for you to actually know that your device, right, is truly connected. There are various ways to ascertain and know if you're truly connected to the device. You look for your Wi-Fi on your device here. Okay, here you see FOB_04FB for the 2.4 gigahertz band. Then you see the FOB_04FB_5G for the 5 gigahertz band. Okay, so you click on anyone. Okay, then you put the Wi-Fi password. Like I told you earlier, the Wi-Fi password, you can find the Wi-Fi password right here. Okay, Wi-Fi password, it says Wi-Fi password. You find it right here. So you type the Wi-Fi password out. Type it out. Then click yes. Okay, do not click no, because it will ask you to connect to a public network or a private network. So just click yes. Okay, because if you click no, the firewall can block some various outgoing connections. Okay, so to just know, you should click yes, because it will prevent you not lacking access to the internet. Okay, so when you get that done, you will load the page, okay, of the IP I once mentioned, the 192.168.100.1. And you see welcome. You see a start page, like it says on your manual, um, right here. So you click start setup. You see start setup on your screen. Then you click it. Okay. Now it will show you login password. Okay. Then login password, like I said earlier, okay, the login password can either be this, the admin here. Okay, so on your screen, as you see, to show you the login password, then they repeat the password, so you can use admin for starters. Okay, well, you can use a little bit of special characters like hash, asterisk, art, then some numbers. Okay, so here I would use admin underscore 123. Okay, it's a relatively strong password. Admin underscore 123. Okay, so you select the time zone. Okay, the time zone here, select it. You put a plus one here. Okay, our GMT plus one. Africa as a region. Okay, then you click on next. So it takes you to the WAN settings, the WAN settings for your internet. Okay, so there are various options here that you will see. You will see DHCP, you see PPOE, you see static IP address. All right, okay, you see static IP address. So click on next. Yeah, so when you click on next, okay, please stay with me. You click on next, then you see your wireless, your wireless configuration right there. Okay, so you have your 2.4 gigahertz setting on your 5 gigahertz setting. Okay, so you can decide to change your passwords. You can decide not to. Okay, so just as a setup, okay, you can decide to change it if you want. So for this instance, I will leave it as it is. Okay, so I save it. So it pops up saying that your device will be connected when wireless settings be modified. Okay, so you just do a little bit of saving, and a little bit of reboot, a quick reboot. It won't take you more than 2 to 5 minutes at most. Okay. Okay, yes, so that's done. So it will take you up to 2 minutes. Then you move over to more settings. All right, then you get on your dashboard, you see various functions there. Then you move over to advanced right here. Then you look for the tag wireless extension. Okay, set up wireless extension. Okay, so I will click on it, then I'll open it and toggle it on. I'll click on the wireless extension right there. So I will choose the WISP mode, then the scan. Okay, because what that does will be to scan various networks, around your location. Okay, so you wait for it to scan. Okay, it will take a while because it will be scanning various Wi-Fi networks. Okay, so you wait for it. So now it will show you on devices on both the 2.4 gigahertz band and the 5 gigahertz band. Like I told you, this bad boy here comes in two, even if it appears to be one, comes in two. So the 2.4 and the 5 gigahertz, always remember that. Okay, you have two more options, always two more options. So it comes to the 2.4 and the 5 gigahertz, then you can see right here. Then you will look for this is just case example. You look for your particular modem. Okay, look for it. So this one, so assuming it's my Wi-Fi. Okay, I just pick it, then I'll click on connect. Okay, then you see SSID. So the SSID is just basically in short form the Wi-Fi name. So you connect to your modem's Wi-Fi, get the correct password, and put this in. So you click on start Wi-Fi extending. Okay, then you wait for it to save. It take a couple of seconds. Okay, you just have to be patient. Okay. Okay, yeah. So as you can see here, it shows that it's now connected to the internet here. On your Wi-Fi list, the FOB underscore 04FB is connected to the internet. Okay, so you would refresh the page. Okay, then as you can see here, you have it already set up. Okay, assuming your SSID is your modem's Wi-Fi. Okay, then you would go to wireless. Okay, then for the 2.4 gigahertz and the 5 gigahertz, right there, the SSID, you rename it to your modem's Wi-Fi. Okay, for more easy relation. Okay, you rename it to your modem's Wi-Fi. So I would do that with mine. You can also change the password here. You can try changing the password. All right, change a different password. You're free to do that. So you would change the password here. You have to change the password. It's mandatory you change the password. So you have to do that. So you change the password to the modem's Wi-Fi password. Okay, the one you used to connect on the extension, the wireless extension. Do not forget, use the password you use to connect to the wireless extension. Okay, so there we go. Then same goes for the 5 gigahertz. Like I told you, it comes in two. Okay, so okay, so now all set up. Okay, then change the password to okay, then save. So you wait for it to load up, then restart. Okay, now you check on you reload the page. Okay, now it's the saved. Then you load the page. Okay, then yes, quite all right. Then you move over to your Wi-Fi. Okay, you disconnect just to be sure. Then you connect in. Okay, you connect back. Then you can have connection back. So yes, as you can see, you're connected to the internet. Okay, so there you go. So you can also have for the 2.4 and the 5, both. You can have both bands on your Wi-Fi available networks. Okay, depending on your device. Okay, because most outdated devices might not detect the 5 gigahertz frequency because of how heavy duty it is and the advanced power it carries. And while the setup is done, on the admin panel, it's now fully confirmed. You can see on the device here, it's showing a constant and stable green light, which shows you are you connected to the internet. Okay, so right here shows you having access to your modem's Wi-Fi. So that's how you connect to your Wi-Fi, and that's how you connect to the Wi-Fi. So in these simple steps, you just need to just follow them one at a time, step by step. Then you'll be fully integrated into the FX3000 Wi-Fi 6 wireless router. Okay, there are more opportunities to explore to this device, and I'm really looking forward to exploring it with you. Thank you.